A crooked steering wheel normally occurs gradually, as the alignment condition of the vehicle shifts over time. This is an excellent visual indicator of misalignment. Irregular tire wear may be another. Before we explore the causes of a crooked steering wheel, let's look at the requirements necessary to achieve a straight steering wheel. In most cases, adjusting center steering is combined with the front toe adjustment. During this process, the goal is to, first, establish a straight-ahead reference. The only accurate reference is thrust line. Thrust line is simply the direction the rear wheels are pointed, and is computed by the aligner. Secondly, lock the steering system with the gearbox centered. This is handled by holding the steering wheel level. However, if your system is running wind toe, locking the steering wheel is not required. And finally, adjust each wheel to half the total toe specification relative to the thrust line. With the above conditions in mind, it becomes much easier to pinpoint the probable cause of a center steering error. The possibilities are: thrust line was not used for a straight-ahead reference. The steering wheel was not positioned for the adjustment. Individual front toe adjustments were not made correctly. The rear wheel alignment has changed, causing thrust line to change. The front alignment has changed, causing front individual toe to change. Or excessive looseness has developed in the suspension and/or steering system. When performing an inspection, get in the habit of starting at the rear suspension so it's never overlooked.